The word eco here comes from the Greek word Eikos, meaning home or household. Okay, so remember this word also. In various topics, I have used this word. Remember economy. Economics also use the word ECO, eco. These three letters you use there. There, NOMI is management. How you manage the resources at the household level, at the taluk level, district level, national level. That is economics. Managing financial, human resource. Correct. That is economics. Similarly, the word eco comes from the Greek word eikos, meaning household or home. First, you remember this. The word eco that we are going to use. Write that somewhere. The word eco comes from a Greek word. Greek word. Eikos. Oikos. Pronounced as eikos. Okay. Meaning home or household. Indirectly means our surroundings. Please write. Indirectly means everything around us. Our surroundings. Okay, this word is clear first because I'm going to use that word eco so many times now. Ecosystem, ecology, ecosphere, like that. So many, around 50 words are there related to this, which starts from these three letters. In environment, there are nearly 50 such words which start with these three letters. So as a result, first we should start with that word only, eco. Okay, pronunciation is eco, not echo. Don't pronounce it as echo. Okay, remember this. This is common mistake people do. They pronounce it as echo. That is wrong. This is eco. So this also please remember. Pronunciation also you should not go wrong. So this is clear. We'll come to this. I'll explain this slide why I have given all these pictures. So my word is first word is ecosphere. Because I told you, Earth is our home, mother planet, home planet. Correct? So this is where we all have evolved. All life on Earth. Correct? Is the only planet which supports life. So the word ecosphere. Please write the word ecosphere now. The entire planet Earth is considered as ecosphere. First word. In that, right? Earth is a Goldilocks planet. Earth is the Goldilocks planet. I'm going to explain one by one here. I'm also going to write now. Earth is our home planet. It is the Goldilocks planet. See the word Goldilocks. Goldilocks planet. It is the only planet which supports and sustains life in the entire universe. Sustain life in the universe. Earth is our home. So in our geography class also I have written this. Land I called it as lithosphere. Air and water also I had written two circles like this. For water I called it as hydrosphere. For air I called it as atmosphere. Many of you remember this Venn diagram. We had written this. So the part of land, water, air. This is land, water, air, which supports life is biosphere. Remember this word? Biosphere. Bio is the word that I've written in the middle. Because part of air, water, land that supports life is called as biosphere. What I've written in green is bio. Bio means life. The word bio means life. Okay. If you notice carefully, the part of atmosphere which supports life on Earth, troposphere. Remember the word tropo? First layer of the atmosphere. Troposphere is the layer just above the Earth. We are all living in troposphere, correct? This is troposphere. This part is troposphere. Okay, I'll write some other color now. This is troposphere. Notice this, the upper part of the Earth's surface, there is soil layer, is pedosphere. Pedon means soil. Hope all of you remember the words that I'm using. Pedon, pedosphere. Okay, so pedosphere. Pedosphere means soil. Because all life exists where? On soil. Plants, animals, for example. We are all living where? On the soil. So pedosphere. Pedon means soil. Okay. This part also you remember. I'll highlight it in different color. Here. Pedosphere. Okay. So notice that the layer above the upper part of the water, correct, interacting with the atmosphere, we call it as aquasphere. Aqua. I'll write in blue color. This is aqua. Aqua means water. Aquasphere. This is aqua. Where from the water evaporates into the atmosphere, correct? So the surface of the water, where we have abundant water, which interacts with the surrounding environment, is aquasphere. Aqua itself means water. Okay. So you can notice troposphere, pedosphere, aquasphere, biosphere. All this together is what we call it as ecosphere. Ecosphere. Now you know the word ecosphere is a very broad term. It will encompass everything that we have. That is the reason I equated it to our planet Earth, because everything is happening where? On planet Earth. So if you are unable to see, I'll write here, because I should have written a big diagram. Aquasphere.